We're going camping in 2 weeks. Yesterday we just got this package for the camping tents and some accessories. Now it's time to unbox it and see what we've got. Kiss, go ahead.
It looks like a lunchbox handle. Yeah, it looks like a lunchbox. No, wait, no, that is. It's a fan.
All right, put it aside.
Well, we don't need it.
Now give me the box.
Yeah.
All right, okay, you can leave it there. What's next? Go ahead.
What is it?
Okay, that's a pad, a mat, yes. It's like your yoga pad.
Help me, help me.
That's a sleeping bag. There should
bag. There's
be
supposed to be
two of these.
two.
Yeah.
There's the other one. Yeah, but I can't. Ow! It's a dog.
No, slow down. All right, another mat.
Another mat. Let's get this out first. It's not what we said.
Ooh, that's a chair.
A chair. A chair. Open it up.
Yeah, okay.
It's so
Open it up. We can.
pretty compared to our. Wait, no, that's not gonna. They're not gonna see it. Put it there.
Okay. Sure, you can bring it there so you can sit on it. Go ahead. That's a pillow. Yes. Go ahead.
There's another pillow. Another pillow, but wait. Give me that. Back. Let's see what's in there. What's in the backpack? These are towels I read on this.
All right. Those are dry towels.
Hey, put that good, like that, and put something over there. What's this? I want to see. Wait. No, I want to see. No, can I open?
Oh, we need a battery on this. Why don't you give me this? And
I thought we already got.
no, we don't have a battery.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. So the box, we're gonna put it aside. It's so hard to get this out. Wait, I'm just gonna get this out. Wait, put that on the other, like on the other side, just so you can see. I can't put those in the box.
No, that's too close. What are you doing, Sue?
And another sleeping bag. Another sleeping bag. The last. What is this? Oh my God! This is so heavy. This is you can't see. Whoa! Give me that. Okay. It's a tent.
Yeah, it's a tent and something inside.
Wait, can I?
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, here's a lantern, I believe.
Yeah. Is it? I want to see. Wait, should.
Oh, nice.
Can I open it? Can I open it?
Okay, let your sister try.
I can't close it.
Yep.
Let me try. It's a lantern.
So, is that it?
Yeah.
So, how many items do we have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah. I believe, this package, I think they're practically inside, so
Yeah.
we don't have to open it right now. We only open it in the campsite. All right. Thank you, girls, for the help.